Massachusetts, eastern Essex, Massachusetts, and Dukes, Massachusetts counties. Daylight time Monday. Impacts include gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. A snow squall will affect northern Worcester and Middlesex counties in Massachusetts. At 4:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a snow squall was along a line extending from near Hubbardston to Dunstable and was moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include
Snow Squall.
Providence, Lowell, Cambridge, Brockton, Quincy, Newton, Somerville, Pawtucket, Framingham, Waltham, Malden, Brookline, Medford, Taunton, Weymouth, Revere, East Providence, and Arlington. Drivers need to remain alert. These conditions often lead to accidents, especially on highways, since road conditions can change rapidly. Avoid braking suddenly. Consider delaying travel until the squalls pass. Wind advisory now in effect.
Bro.
30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Areas affected include eastern Plymouth, Massachusetts, eastern Essex, Massachusetts, and Dukes, Massachusetts counties.